Hello everyone, I Dhanesh Dave welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Delhi Films, and in this video I am going to teach you how to cook chapati at home. Many people find it difficult to cook chapati at home, but after watching this video you will be master in cooking chapati at your home. But before we start, please subscribe this channel so that you can receive my all latest video and hit the bell icon to stay updated. So let's begin now. To make a chapati dough, you need to take wheat flour into a deep platters and then you need to mix water in it. Once you put water in it, by using your one hand, just try to mix the flour with the water. This is a slow process. Just mix slowly wheat flour with the water, and in proportionately you can put more water. But make sure you do not put too much water or you do not put less water. Once you put the water in it, by using one hand, slowly and gradually just try to mixing it up, and you will get this result. So there will be a time you will reach you need not to put more water, and the all flour will stick to each other and will become like this, what you are watching in this video. So keep on mixing it and keep on crushing it until you get this result. So you will automatically come to know when your dough is ready. So how you can mix flour with the water in a proper manner, just use the same way which you are seeing in this video. So it will not take more than 5 minutes and it's very easy process. So like you are seeing, the dough is ready in just 1 and 13 seconds. It took 1 minute 13 seconds. So this is your dough. Now what is the next process? Just once your dough is ready, just take a piece of it by using your hand and make this shape. Now we are going to make chapati. Now put your dough into dry flour, then put it on the rolling board. By using rolling pin, you need to make chapati. Now the shape of chapati is like round shape. So make sure while you are making shape of your chapati, or you are giving shape to your chapati should be in round shape. This is a practice which will make you perfect. Slowly and gradually you will learn how to give a round shape chapati. Do not panic. So once your round shape chapati is ready, make sure your pan which we already put on the gas stove is hot and on the high flame when you are putting your chapati on the pan, and your chapati will start cooking, like what you are watching in this. Then slowly and gradually you need to check, make sure it did not get burned, and once it cooked from the one side, just turn it and make sure it get cooked from the other side too. After that, you need to keep your chapati directly on the flame on the gas. So once you put on the flame, it will fill with the hot air and it will blow like a balloon. And once it like that, then put your chapati into the pot. Now repeat the process. Again you need to take same dough, and by using the rolling pin and rolling board, and by applying some dry flour into it, give to try a shape like a round shape chapati. So repeat this process quick and fast so that you can make so many chapati in a short time. So like we are doing in this video, one chapati we are rolling and one chapati is already getting cooked on the pan. Now just once the chapati get cooked, put it on the direct flame on the gas stove, and by using a pincer just turn it from the both side and make sure the chapati get complete cooked. So in very less amount of time we have cooked so many chapatis. You can put your all the chapatis in a hot container. So thank you for watching. Thank you very much.